I'ma head out then.
How y'all doing? How you doing, bro? What you running in here, man?
4 ZV5 15, 2 salt 6K, 2 320 JS off, 95 hour lifting, and PRV 10s in the door.
Yes, sir. You got it looking good. 440, right?
Yeah, 440.
Okay. I'm gonna leave it down here for you.
All right.
Thank Are you on social media anywhere they can find you at?
Oh, I got a little YouTube page, No Man Nelson. There's Kevin Nelson on Facebook and Instagram.
Y'all be sure to subscribe to the YouTube. What's the name of it again?
No Man Nelson.
Y'all be sure to subscribe to that, and I'm gonna be sure to tag it down below, and then follow him on the Facebook channel. I appreciate it, bro.
All
right, thank you, man.
right, let's get it.
Yes, sir. Yeah, you still
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
Alright, so I appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.